We would greatly appreciate your support for the channel by please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you. What would happen if a three-wheeled vehicle could carry heavy loads and still run entirely on electricity? This is not a factory-made product, but the result of a pure creative idea. Built with nothing more than skilled hands, experience, and a passion for making things. In this video, the builder starts from raw steel materials. Every detail is carefully measured, cut, and welded. The goal is clear: to create a truly effective electric cargo tricycle. A strong frame is the foundation for carrying heavy loads. The three-wheel design ensures stability while moving. The heart of this vehicle is a powerful electric motor. It is both energy efficient and environmentally friendly. The battery system is arranged neatly and safely. Every component is designed for long-term, real-world use. This vehicle is not just made to move, but to work every day. A spacious cargo box makes transportation much easier. Perfect for rural areas, small workshops, or daily cargo transport. No fuel is needed, just charge the battery and keep going. The creativity lies in using materials wisely and reducing costs. Every weld reflects the builder's skill and experience. This is not just a vehicle, but a practical solution. A simple idea with very high real-world value. DIY is not only about building, but about solving real-life problems. This electric tricycle proves that creativity has no limits. Anyone can start with a small idea. All it takes is passion, persistence, and the courage to try. Thank you for watching this journey from idea to reality. Don't forget to follow for more creative DIY projects. This is just a creative idea based on personal preference. We would greatly appreciate your support for the channel by please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you.